In this video, I will show you guys 5 simple steps how to froth the milk, silky texture with enough of foam using coffee machine brand Gemilai 3605 model. Thus, you will be able to create your own latte art. If you like this content and wish to watch more similar content like this, please do click that subscribe and like button. You will definitely encourage me to do more content like this in near future. If you guys haven't watched my previous video titled 10 simple step by step how to make latte art on Gemilai machine, I've put the link right up here. Some of you did comment and asking how to froth the milk in the silky texture. So I have done a content specifically for you guys who own this Gemilai machine 3605. These 5 simple steps may not be perfect, but I believe if you follow exactly this guide, you will be able to froth the milk silky enough with the right amount of foam to create some coffee art that you wish and hope for. Of course, if you have other better recommendations, please leave your advice in the comment section below. I will really appreciate your feedback and sharing. These 5 simple steps are mainly for Gemilai 3605 model only. I believe different coffee machines have different capacities of the pump and pressure. Let's do it together. Let's go! This video content is mainly focused on how to froth the milk. So I will speed up this part when I'm brewing the coffee. Timing just nice, a little bit fast, but it's okay. Check out the creamer of the coffee liquid. Looks delicious and the aroma is so nice. Step 1. If you've been using your Gemilai Model 3605 coffee machines for some time, it's crucial to check on the steam 1 nozzle to make sure no remaining milk stains on the steam 1 nozzle's hole. Simply because to prevent less pressure when you're frothing the milk, as you know this model coffee machine from value for money, the pressure is not as strong as we expected. One of the ways normally I would use a toothpick to poke from outside and inside, as you all can see, to remove the milk stain. Of course, the best way is to use exit detergent, which is this brand from Gemilai, for major maintenance by soaking the nozzles with hot water and put 1 spoon of exit detergent. Of course, if you got this machine new, you can skip step 1. Step 2. I'm using the professional full cream milk Dutch Latte, which I think so far is the best choice of our liking. Pour the milk into the milk jar pitcher until 180 ml according to our cup size, which is 260 ml. Step 3. Press the froth button and wait till the indicator turns 30. Turn the steam knob anti-clockwise to remove remaining water inside the machine. I noticed that this machine is impossible to remove the water entirely. For value for money, this machine is good enough. Step 4. Do not turn the steam knob first, but put your milk jar near to the steam 1 nozzles. Lay the jar on the hose like this for support, stability, and control when frothing the milk. Lay the nozzle's surface on the milk at 3 o'clock. Do not dip in or over above surface of the milk. It's normal if you can hear loud squeak sound from the beginning. Normally what I do, I will lift up the nozzle slightly higher to create some bubble to create better circulations of the milk. By doing so, you will hear less squeak sound. And then I will adjust the nozzles towards 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Next, to prevent more foam, I will move the nozzles holes into deeper in the middle of the jar. Last time I lay inside at 3 o'clock, but I find putting in the middle is the best so far for me.
Normally you need to dip inside around 20 seconds. If too long, you will create more foam and will not able to have nice and perfect latte art. What are the cons of this machine? Frothing the milk will take a longer time. To reach 60 degrees Celsius will take approximately 80 seconds. But it's okay, we'll get the work done at the end. And now I will leave the nozzles inside till reach 60 degrees, which I think the best temperature for our taste and liking. Step 5. After reaching the right temperature, remember to clean the nozzle hose by wiping the nozzle hose. Also, turn the knob by removing all remaining milk that might be inside the hose. This is crucial. Polish the milk by turning the jug like this. Lay on the flat surface and turn it gently to create very nice silky milk on the surface until you can see the surface getting more and more shiny. Last but not least, remove the bubbles on the surface of the milk by hitting the jug on the surface of the table, so that when you pour your latte art, you will get a smooth latte art on the surface. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video able to help you guys to froth the milk using the Gemilai 3605 machine. Once again, see you guys again. Peace out.